Welcome to Kingston's training module for our range of industrial-grade SSDs. This module will help system designers and engineers understand Kingston's industrial-grade solid-state drives and the applications in which these SSDs are used. Kingston is committed to equipping the system builder community with reliable SSDs for a variety of applications and developing long-term business partnerships through product, industry, and technical support. Kingston's industrial-grade SSDs are designed to operate between -40 to 85-degree temperature ranges for non-climate controlled applications. Kingston offers industrial SSDs with capacities ranging from 128 GB to 1 TB in both M.2 2280 and 2.5-inch SATA form factors. Numerous industries find use for Kingston's industrial SSDs in a wide variety of applications. The industrial computing market continues to evolve at a rapid pace, and new applications are coming online daily that require hardware components with a higher level of reliability and control. Kingston is continuing to invest in SSD technology to service this market segment, as well as investing in a support team to closely engage with system builders and engineers on new projects. Kingston's industrial SSDs are designed for extreme temperatures, both from a hardware and firmware perspective. The firmware on the SSD is designed to protect data in both hot and cold environments. When it comes to the hardware components on the SSD, the flash controller, NAND flash memory, and passive components must meet strict requirements to operate at extreme hot and cold temperatures. In conditions of extreme high temperature, Kingston's iTemp SSDs are designed with a mechanism to lower the temperature of the SSD by way of reducing the data transfer rate. It's called thermal throttling. The primary goal of throttling is to reduce the possibility of data loss by keeping the flash memory operating within its temperature range. Kingston applies a conservative approach to data integrity, and thermal throttling is a key part to that philosophy. At Kingston, testing is paramount, both pre- and post-surface mount technology (SMT) assembly. First and foremost, the flash controller and NAND flash go through a pre-production characterization process to ensure it meets Kingston's industrial temperature requirements. After the SMT process, the SSDs are inspected via a visual QC process and then installed in thermal chambers, where a function and reliability test is performed. Kingston's iTemp SSDs utilize the latest 3D TLC NAND technology while supporting a full security suite that includes AES 256-bit hardware encryption, TCG Opal 2.0, and eDrive. TCG-supported SSDs mean that your SSD conforms to industry standards and government data security regulations. The implementation is seamless and transparent to the user, so there is no impact to their workflow. On the first day Kingston started selling memory, more than 36 years ago, a commitment to quality was established and continues to this day. Kingston holds several memory and SSD testing patents and employs a full-time engineering staff that is constantly innovating testing technology for in-house use. Kingston also believes that quick access to support personnel is key and therefore continues to support its customers with Kingston-employed technical support representatives. We believe your success is our success. In other words, close customer engagement is key to the long-term prosperity of both Kingston and our customers. We understand the concerns that system builders have working with hardware suppliers, such as product availability, fluctuations in memory prices, managing allocation periods, and quickly resolving technical issues. When you work with Kingston, we provide you with a quality SSD for your computing solution, as well as access to the expert specialists on the industrial SSD team. Kingston is fully committed to the industrial computing sector and is bringing new SSD products to market all the time to address the needs of this fast-growing application segment. We leverage our decades-long knowledge of memory testing to bring highly reliable industrial SSDs to system builders and engineers. At Kingston, we want to provide an easy path for customers to satisfy any technical, sales, and supply needs they may have at any time.